sir.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, man, bless you. Alright? Sure. Yeah. You want it? Welcome, Dream Team, one team. Hello, mommy. Sorry you couldn't get to see you. I'm at your doorstep. Mom is in Jamaica, right?
Yeah, mommy and daddy.
Mommy and daddy, Dream Team, one team. And this
Stamp pipe ever high.
Yeah, stamp pipe ever high. Keep the water running. Intro, me don't know where them are free.
Oh yeah, we don't want to free votes.
Yeah.
Kino. Anytime she watching, I sing it to mess with her, you know?
Yeah, man. The Jamaica Dream Team, one team.
One team, dream team.
See them.
In a wow chef.
The World Chef plays.
Nice.
So this is me on the program.
Yeah.
See you last night, okay?
Yeah.
Last push up, dog it up.
Meet her in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally.
Wow. It's an honor.
Put a face to the voice.
Yeah. So you know it's good. I said in PS can't show us here, man.
Yeah.
But hear the voice. Hear the voice. You know what to do. Max, I'm here with Max, my brother, another mother, and everything. You know, say mommy is here.
Yeah.
You know, Max and my sister. Dream Team, one team. You know, the family is here.
Dream thing, yeah. Every time when I start doing the chanting, I start making all that.
Yeah,
Dream team.
One team.
One thing I start making it. Christopher, stop getting nice on my head. Like it, cause me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Brooklyn, so we just touched down in Brooklyn. Yeah, you know, we're here to see the Chungs family. KJ coming on the road. Chung.
Who else is represented until the rest of the team fly in. It's like a wash all. Jailer man there, you know. Boy, you must listen to me, man. Make sure you put this. What I say? Jailer.
Real fun. Yeah, man, so.
Hey. How are you?
Yeah, man, bless you. Alright?
Cool.
Yeah, see
Who for the first time, you
Yeah, man,
know?
cool,
What's
man,
what's
cool,
with
man.
them? You
Jade.
know, let's sing a Kino song too.
Yeah.
For him.
I don't remember how it goes. I've been gone for a little bit. I don't remember how it goes.
Do you remember?
Yeah, no.
The intro. Me don't know where them are free.
Oh yeah, we don't want free votes. Yeah, Kino. Anytime she watching, I sing it to Messina, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Do you hear that? Tea with milk?
Yeah, you want Lipton?
Yeah.
Milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tea.
Yeah. You want tea too? Copper?
What tea guy?
We didn't meet. Nice. I see you on the program.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see you last night. Okay.
Yeah.
Push up, dog, you know.
Meet her in person.
Yeah, finally.
Wow. It's an honor.
We'll put a face to the voice.
Yeah. So you know it's who.
First of all, I was not talking.
What do you mean I wasn't talking?
No, he was talking outside.
Read it on the comment.
Yeah, and you were talking to Fabulous Brother.
Oh. Yeah.
Remember, everything is recorded.
Yeah.
When you're with Kino,
Yeah.
remember, everything is on camera.
Yeah, everything is transparent.
Kino thing is a worldwide thing.
That's what I me or if I'm back up because we can't be with
You
this.
can't back up, you're already there, man. You have to support the
Once
family.
you get in, you know.
I'm
Yeah,
not in. I'm not in.
When you get in, you know,
I'm
say
not in.
you're the tour guide. You know.
The tour guide.
Yeah.
Me the tour guide.
Who carry around Kino?
He's just my nephew and I'm just helping out. So I don't know what gonna happen.
You're gonna part.
I'm not a part of it. I'm just a Uber driver. So you know what? I'm just the no.
Big up the Uber driver.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
just the Uber.
I
Yeah,
am
the
too
free
sure.
Uber driver, cause Irish not collecting.
No, never collect. No, it's time for me to collect. I'm just a Uber driver. Uber, you have to pay Uber, you know.
Yeah, we can't get in a prayer.
This year,
Yeah?
used to be a goalie for Ellison Flats.
Oh. Yeah, it's a joke.
Used to be a goalie
Yeah?
for Ellison Flats.
So
Ellison Flat is that? Ellison Flats. I'm from Augustown. Oh, you're from
Augustown.
Ellison Flat, the Williams, them have a house up there. Barrington, Gainer, Grand, one of them have a house up there. How much tea are you making? Tea for you? Tea for Andrew?
Yeah.
Yeah, tea.
Tea, water,
That's what I used to
beer.
make.
No. That's a
No,
tea,
I
Englishman.
drink tea right
Yeah, so it's
Me
tea.
too, I drink a lot of tea.
Okay, tea.
Tea,
If
so
tea,
you have
say
any
tea,
crackers with
yes.
it?
Winter, whenever the weather's like this, is for tea.
You want cheese with it?
Yeah.
No, that's one tea. What kind of
Yeah.
crackers do you have? Ask crackers I bought from, it's from Trader Joe's. Which one?
So, so finally I put a face to the name, you know, the Chungs family.
Yeah.
You know, got to put a face. She's so cool. Put a face to the name. Man, I just sing the song, and everything go. Finally put a face.
Bingo, you see it?
Bingo. Welcome.
This is the short.
John doing his cool, you know.
Yeah,
My mom like that also. I
yeah.
respect my mom. It's my
Yeah,
mom
those
right
are
there.
the short.
I like that.
Yeah, man, your mom's a great supporter to the program, you know, she help out the needy, you know. I was glad to finally put a face to the name, Chungs family,
Chung them.
the Chung, you know.
Call us.
Son, go.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I will give thanks. I will thank you so much for having us here. You know, JJ Book and Ball in the building, you know, baby brother.
Oh, it's Big Brother.
Yeah, baby brother this.
Okay.
You see it there. Right, bro, when you see the way we at the bar, that's his bar.
That's his bar. Okay,
And if you watch a long time previous video, he was on it in the early part.
So Carla, it's kind of turned upside down, you know, kind of just trying to put it back together because
Carlos, come in.
I lost my daughter. Where you from? Where in Jamaica you from?
Soon 2 months now. She died February 17th.
In Jamaica?
No, here.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry to hear about that, alright?
I'm really,
Where in Jamaica?
and Chung, I'm really sorry to hear about that as well. You know, our condolences goes out.
Where from?
You know.
Our name's
The first one, right?
Yeah. She was 39.
Yeah, one, she's my wife.
I didn't know.
You know, really sorry for what happened, you know.
Send me no message before.
Strong, this is her.
I know your mother, I know your auntie, I know your old generation.
This is her daughter.
Oh, the one that passed away, okay. So don't come here with this
Are your big sister?
My second mom.
Second mom, right? Yeah, because the mom told me a lot about her.
The second one.
Yeah,
My second mom, bro.
really
So my
sorry.
big sister one, Shelly one.
Yeah, man, you know Shelly.
Second mother that the
Yeah, you know Shelly already had this. A big, so really our condolence goes out, you know.
Sharon, your mother name Sharon.
Yeah.
And your auntie name Angela.
It's my pops.
I imagine
Main Chung. Me and Chung.
the main Chung. Yeah. I imagine that who was gonna meet her before coming out, cause when she get the news, she know I was coming. And she was looking for, and she's like, oh, mom, invite Kino over for dinner and everything.
Yeah, that's how she.
And then she really sad, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Imagine that.
No, I massive dread before you were born.
Yeah.
You like what? 30 something?
No.
What is?
That's right. Yeah, no, you're still looking at him. My 41 year old.
41.
He's a baby face.
You know your father before you're born.
I don't know why you're telling that, you know.
Yeah, you gas him up now, you know.
No, I really look young for sure.
No, at the baby face, him got ear about.
You gotta run with it. You gotta run with it now.
Yeah, on the baby face.
20 something years. Like,
I know.
So once him got ear about baby face,
I got a big face.
him gonna run with it. Yeah, but you're young, you can't say you're young.
Cause I just turned 28, but people tell me like, oh, you like 19.
19,
like,
yeah, cause you look young.
Like,
Because when I tell you, say around 20.
Yeah, cause you look young.
I'm about to turn 30.
Some people don't carry yet, some people don't.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
I'm just turned 24. Why are you looking at? Why are you looking at? I'm trying to change my age right now.
Robert, let me tell you something.
yeah.
When you were, when you were born, how old was when you were born?
Yeah.
Cause the last time I see you, you run up and down up in a diaper on 3rd Street.
Kino know I'm waiting about. My name, I'm looking for brief, man.
Oh, a pure brief in this too, yeah.
All the sister when you
No, sure.
Monica, she name Tushi, Monica Daka. I know she fuck, you know America pregnant there in a bed.
You know, sushi, they walk up here, you know, right?
She live back here?
Yeah, she's here.
Right, on the road, she there too.
Where the Marcia?
Right, I use that, yeah.
Where the Marcia she live?
Yeah,
One to the rest of my
the
family.
last one and the only one.
Where's my
The last one and the only boy.
Over here.
And me, my mama,
Yes, auntie. Welcome to the Chung family.
yeah, man, it's a blessing.
God bless you. In the case, the same stay, you know, the two of them, you know, JJ. And if I stop today
Me
here,
alone can't eat it. I need more hands with the pan of car. Don't sum up your auntie already.
Carlos.
yeah.
Yeah, so she chilled.
Oh yeah, that's why you tell me your name is Carlos.
Yeah, she got a nice name.
That's why you say your name is Carlos. That's a nice name.
Yeah, that's an American name.
The American name.
And so one time I call him say Grabbers.
Yeah.
And then Kino say Robert.
Yeah. And spokes.
Kino don't call her name no more.
Spokes. I will say spokes.
3rd Street, I got no other name.
Yeah, when it says spokes, bicycle spokes.
And you?
And what must call you now?
I mean, alone drinking.
My father used to call me Chico.
Chico.
And then since I've been home, my mom been calling me Beans.
What?
Well, yeah, Chico and Beans for the most part.
Chico Beans.
Yeah.
So Chico, you know Chico already Mexicano.
Yeah, nah, Chico, I don't know. My pops used to call me that. She's rambling. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So our condolences go out, you know.
Thanks again,
Chung.
right?
Cause when the first time I meet the Chung family, you know, we like Chung. I think a Chinese family, you know.
I mean, we do. I mean, technically, yeah.
Them do honors of Chinese, you know.
Yeah.
You're from a Chinese background, eh?
Yeah, my father's lineage.
Oh, the father. Yeah, that's why I say, are you married to a Chinese man?
This is my grandfather right here. This is the two of them. My grandfather and grandmother. So you can kind of see like where it's coming in.
Okay, you can see them Anvil. Remember them long time picture here for yesterday, you know? You can see them picture here long time
Yeah,
picture,
man,
you know?
long time picture, man. Classic, them in your
Classic.
Premier, you're born.
Yeah, them picture here classic. Remember them dressing them man with the gloves on the hand.
You know, you have a lady, I watch her a while, she dressed like that from back in the days. And her white, and her gloves and her hat, same way.
Same way.
And everything in her house are from back in the days. It's so cute. I think she live in Texas.
Yeah.
And she drive one of the Cadillac one in a long time days back in the one them too.
Yeah,
it's a
yeah.
pink one she have a drive.
Catalog. Yeah. Not that one I do.
What's up about
Here the Chung family, you know, and
We know that, but that's not a long time.
Car whopper.
I know over me.
No, I said car.
My bucket is me a car. One bucket is me a Latte, right?
oh,
Sorry. Latte, right?
How would that be?
Bibi.
You need anything else?
Bibi.
Yes, you good?
Book and ball. Dream team, one team, you know, the family is here.
Yeah, right.
Dream thing. Yeah, I see. Yeah, every time when
when y'all start doing the chanting, y'all start making all that.
Yeah, drink one thing.
One thing. I start making it. Christopher, stop being nice, no man. Like, because I'm screaming in the head, making all
Let me
that.
answer your question.
Yeah.
So all of these, okay, so how much you have for your team at Jamaica? How much are the crew? How much you have for the whole team?
21.
21?
Yeah.
How much women and how much men?
We have 6 women.
Okay.
6 women.
And
The rest man.
Oh, 15 men and 6 women.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Finish work for the day.
look for Angela, Esther,
Natisha.
Alright, good to see you. How is Sam?
Yeah, she named Natisha as well too. And you have Smiley.
How is Sam?
And now you have one lady with she named Carrion. You know, we call her, some people call her chicken teeth.
Okay.
Chicken lady, but she name is Carrion Fire.
I'm gonna be here in the summer.
You know, Mr. Answer after they come give her the
let me
name.
answer your question. So, okay,
Oh, you're meeting.
no pay. So I was wondering if you could take on anybody else.
Yeah, me I take on.
I have somebody, they're gonna get paid.
You know what I'm saying?
Are they gonna get paid?
No, it's not paid. I remember it's all volunteer.
A volunteer, okay.
It's all volunteer service.
Yeah.
Baby. International, see how they.
Local.
So the international, I mean, the local.
You see?
Where's JJ, they want to say
Local.
You must say you're local.
No, she's not local. She don't want to do it. Remember say, yeah, but that's how you don't want to do it, sorry.
So they make it work. Dream team, one team.
She's here in Jamaica.
We go live in a minute. Says you go see.
Go wait a minute. Go eat up some food.
You're gonna eat food where?
Run a restaurant, man.
Which restaurant?
Run a
restaurant.
you take a this money. Run a Kema, run a belly food. Never go in a restaurant yet. That means say from a car funeral, you don't come back over here.
You don't really eat restaurant food.
No man, I know where the restaurant.
Where? Upper restaurant
Yeah.
is there?
Kemar.
Oh, you're going out Kemar restaurant.
Bukambala JJ Academy. Forget they give them off the street and give them all the strategy. To drop the negativity.
Yeah, see, right?
Drop the positivity.
Sat now.
Yeah. Yeah man say. Yeah man JJ.
Yeah man.
Bukambala Academy.
Yeah.
Forget they give them off the street and give them all the strategy. Drop the negativity. Strictly positivity. Blessing for your flow like river with good energy. Yeah man.
I book a bar song that.
Yeah man. The book and band.
See, I did that thing, man.
I can say a dream team tournament.
Where you got a restaurant go buy? Where you got a restaurant go do?
You go there with shoes?
Yeah.
How can I put them to run there?
Jamaican restaurant? Yeah. So one time you go over the car, remember say, I don't need to pick me, you know, your diet. Right, auntie? So, you. Alright? Yeah?
Oh, she was at home and she passed away. And she had the.
What them said the blood clot?
Yeah, she got a blood clot went to the lungs.
Oh, went to the lung.
What caused it? What caused the blood clot?
You want that one?
Yeah.
No, she had fibroids. So.
Okay. So, you know,
It's just,
Yeah,
I tell you,
and
hard. When I say hard, I mean hard. It licked you hard. Then it was like this, tight.
yeah, that makes it.
yeah. Can you imagine? And I'm glad we're here, you know, and we appreciate the love. You know, we have to show the love, see me, and we know. Yeah. And I'm really happy I'm here.
She's ready for donate.
Yeah. You know, our condolence goes out. You know, I know the dream team members them will definitely say the same, and the rest of the extended families, all the viewers them that watch will definitely say the same. You know, condolence goes out, and we just all here for each other. You know, because we just really sad. Because I remember me the talk would have a long reasoning, and you know it really tough because I could hear in your voice.
When I said tough, no, ain't tough.
You know, and
My children have just a two.
Have to leave.
Yes, my children have three.
3, yeah.
The first
Mother,
one.
daughter, yeah.
Yeah, she's the
Mother,
first
daughter, she'll
one.
soon come downstairs. She'll take care of her.
okay. So then
She was the only one around because there are 2 live in California. Christopher Allison was in California.
Oh, she live in California? And the other one too?
The one upstairs.
Where's our college?
No.
Where in California live?
I'm almost 30. That's what we were just talking about. I'm not no college. No, I live in Yorba Linda. It's a small community in Orange County. Yeah, like
me look at house now. I just look for some house in a rancho.
A couple M's out there.
Yeah, or Victorville or something.
This is not like that community's mad small.
Yeah, no, that's what I was like, right? Or she live in LA.
I work with the city.
You work in the city? What kind of job you do?
I manage and supervise adult sports and programming in the city of Yorba Linda.
Downtown LA, you work?
No,
Allison works in LA.
Allison works in LA.
Oh, okay. I just come from over there, a week and a half ago.
Oh, okay.
You can move back over there.
Oh, you used to live there?
Yeah, I used to live there in like the early 90s.
Okay, in LA?
No, yeah, I used to live in Hawthorne, Lawndale. I used to learn and then I moved from there to go. I moved from over there in 95 and go Arizona.
I say, in face can't show us here, man. But near the voice, you know, it's Max. I'm here with Max, my brother, another mother. You know, everything, though. You know, say, Mummy is here. You know, Max and my my sister, my youngest one. Yeah. Wow. We are Queens. Linden. So this is Dream Team Blue. Dream Team Blue. Dream is blue. This is Dream Team Blue. You see, Max, I got jealous now, you know.
No, man, no, I'm not jealous at all.
No, that's our Dream Team Max.
Oh, you're Max.
Yeah, our Dream Team Max. So Max now, Dream Team Blue, I get all your mackerels. All the mackerels.
Yeah, he love food, you know. So.
Yeah?
Yes, man, you see him little like that.
So now we have Dream Team Blue. Don't worry, Max, she not get boy or girl. Boy, don't worry, Max. You not get all the mackerel. I'm only gonna get some, Max. You see, look at the tag tail wiggling. Dog no girl. Yeah. Look. Look. Well, Dream Team, one team, Dream Team, one team. Listen, you hear? I'm in the car park. You want it?
Welcome to New York.
Welcome, Dream Team, one team. One team. Hello, Mommy. Sorry we couldn't get to see you. I'm right at your doorstep. Mommy's in Jamaica, right?
Yeah, Mommy and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy, Dream Team, one team. And this
Standpipe ever high.
You hear that? Standpipe ever high. Keep the water running. Blessed Mommy, I wish you were here. Where daughter represent, right? Representing. And this is Max.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Max. Max is eternal love, you know. And he's got his mommy around there.
Oh, okay.
Nice meeting you,
nice
man.
to meet
Sure.
you.
Feel the energy, feel the love one more time, you know. So you see, this is the love we're talking about and the connection, you know. We share the same love a yard and abroad.
Definitely.
Right, so big up yourself, Mommy. Sorry you never here, you know.
And Daddy.
And Daddy, you know. So hopefully next time, you know, we can get to meet, you know, whenever you come back. When are you coming back?
Ooh.
mom and dad?
Oh, they'll be back in the next month.
Or the end of next month?
Yeah.
That's so long gonna go, mommy and daddy. Wow, but if I end of next month, that means you can come visit me at church son while I'm back then. So I don't have time. Yeah, so we definitely see me while I'm there then. I don't have time.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Norika. Yes.
Right down there.
Thank you.
Well, I'm gonna meet you. You know, where that tree? You know? More extended from you never know.
Watch your program.
Hello? Yeah. How you doing? I saw them make me out fast, you know. I'm a back turn, they make me out. I have my mask, they make me out. And you know, the catch it at, and that is Max, someone else, Eternal Love. Yeah, and that's my auntie Charm there and Max mommy.
Right. Good man, good.
Mommy, another extended family around here as well. Yeah. So see they on the program, you know, big up yourself. You know, big them up. The Jamaica Dream Team, one team.
One team, dream team.
See they
in a Wow Chef.
the Wow Chef place, you know. Wow Chef will be here the next time. Kino life in Jamaica. Yeah. So they're coming to have dinner there? They're coming to the door?
Oh, they're going into the door now? That's actually where we go?
Oh yeah, we're going there as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Alright.
You know, so she just came and meet because her mom went to Jamaica and her dad to see me.
Right.
But then realized that I'm here.
Right, okay.
So she had to come and represent for them same way.
Nice.
You know, and Max as well, they just come visit me. So,
Okay.
so it's the same energy.
Yeah, man.
You know, the same energy and the same love. So we give thanks, man, and thanks for watching the program. See you, man.
Yeah, man, no problem.
You know, go thanks, see you, man. So there, so see the dream team, one team is more love, you know, more connection. You see that? See that? You can't hide, you cannot hide. Never mask people them spot me, see you, man. You know, so you cannot hide. So you see them love. The love is over here. Yeah, man, so give thanks. So we're gonna have dinner with Max and his mommy. You know. Yeah, so thank you so much for supporting the program. Alright then, so we'll see you inside, yeah? Alright, mommy, yeah? Alright, bless him. Dream team member. Big up some.
Oh God, you
big
put
up
me on the spot. I don't remember the name, baby.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh God.
Esther is here, you know.
Esther, what?
Yeah. So she's in Long Island now with her uncle. You know, so she'll come over here, so we'll get to meet her.
Well, no disrespect, but you know, dream team,
Team
man, you know.
Yeah. Light Fox.
Yeah.
Oh God, man.
Jella.
Pinta. Jella.
Whoa.
And of course,
Everybody remember Whoa, you know. Whoa. Yeah, we're bringing Whoa here, you know.
Electrician.
Yes, Pinta. Yes.
Natisha.
Yes.
The whole team.
Chicken teeth and a chicken teeth.
Chicken lady.
Chicken lady.
I name change, chicken lady. You know, so we're gonna bring the Wow Chef here.
Of course.
Because everybody has seen you the Whoa city.
Yes,
You see, Whoa.
See that energy he put out already? He said he's already here.
He's here.
Then that's it. He's here.
Whoa, want the curry chicken back over here, you know. Definitely right now.
We have the chicken back.
You have the chicken
We have
back?
the chicken.
Yes.
Yes, we have the
Alright,
chicken.
you just need a Wow Chef to come cook it.
Yeah.
You eat that Wow, yeah. Them other chicken back already, but you just need a Wow Chef to come cook
I
it.
bring some Jamaican curry.
Yeah, bring the Wow spice.
There's a palm tree in the Bronx. That's where I'm gonna get my better pack.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna get all my good stuff there.
So you eat that Wow, so the seasoning is there. You know, just come.
It's here, yes.
It's here. You know, so that would be good. You know, but most of them is here, and as I say, it's not close. You know, and them like, you know, each area
Someone
going.
said Mount Vernon.
Yeah.
Mount Vernon is not close.
But Mount Vernon not far.
Mount Vernon is
Listen,
not
That's
close.
nowhere's near.
45 minutes.
What? And that's close?
Yes.
Jesus.
Listen, if you take the train from me to Mount Vernon, that's a good 3-hour trip.
Yeah.
So if you drive 45 minutes,
But 45 minutes is long.
Oh
I
gosh.
remember saying it's not like the place small or in the traffic, is when I drive straight.
Yeah, but you see, New Yorkers, we wake up early and we do what we gotta do. Like I said, what's a good time to me? He said the afternoons. I'm thinking 12:1.
Yeah.
He said 3-4, and I'm like traffic on the belt.
You see?
But like they said that we meet up on traffic, but I know my little ways around, so we cut out a lot of the traffic over here.
It's not close, man. 45 minutes. That wood face away, man. You know, long drive that. Yeah. When we say we go all over, right, from town. About that drive, you know, probably a little less.
Little less, yeah.
But it's not close, you know.
Not close.
Exactly. So when they say 45 minutes, it's not close. You know, so.
But that's like because you see so much here driving. It by the time you look, the time go by so fast.
Yeah.
It's not like a straight road where you just see trees and then you're like, oh gosh.
So even in New Jersey, you know, with them say about 2 hours, and I say, okay, they probably go from Kingston to Westmoreland then, you know?
Yeah.
You know, and not even Westmoreland, like St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
You know, so you look on them journey there.
Yeah.
You know, and that's still far. You know, when I tell somebody say, yo, you're going to Westmoreland, I'm like, wow. You see me, I say that journey right now. So it is not close, you know. But just because the place is big, you know, because if you put things down in New York, it does last.
Yeah.
England lasts.
Yeah.
And we used to England as well to know England thing. If we say, yo, 10 minutes there, we know it says that 10 minutes drive.
Yeah.
You know, but if you say 10 minutes here, I could
just 10 minutes. 20 minutes gone. What?
Yeah,
I'm still driving.
It's big, man. It's big. Because when everybody phone me now, them tell me where they're at. I'm like, oh, I'm like an hour away from here and everything. I'm like, in Queens. I'm like, yeah, but Queens, which part of Queens? I'm telling you, I'm like, oh, about half an hour away from here. So
yeah. Better not a story, because if it was a story, I would have been like, oh.
Yeah, we got a couple members in Jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, story.
See there, I got a couple members in Jersey, so I'm telling them I'm gonna be in Jersey now. They're like, well, Kino, you can't say that Jersey, you know, you're still not close, you know, you can't always away. I'm saying, really?
If you're there, Trenton.
Yes.
Trenton, that's right.
Yeah.
I live next to the airport, Newark Airport.
Okay.
And when me for drive go Trenton, I'm like, I don't want to drive to Trenton.
And Philly as well too.
And drive to Philly.
I'm like, what? Even because I'm going to Florida now to meet Oliver and Carla.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.